Immigration advocates and DACA recipients in South Carolina are awaiting a federal appeals court decision on whether DACA is legal.
The case could impact thousands of people in our state. News 19's Becky Buds has the details.
Elizabeth Bonilla was born in Mexico, but calls South Carolina home.
I was brought to the States when I was about 1, and I've been raised here since.
She first applied for the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program in 2016, 4 years after President Barack Obama created it using executive order. After Bonilla was accepted, she was able to avoid deportation, work legally, and get a driver's license.
I felt very accomplished, a step closer to my goals, knowing that I have the opportunity now to actually go to college, get a real job.
A decade after the DACA program began, its fate is uncertain. Last week in Louisiana, the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals listened to oral arguments for a federal lawsuit challenging the legality of the program. South Carolina signed on to that lawsuit in 2018. In a statement to News 19, Attorney General Alan Wilson says in part, "Even though I don't think innocent children and teens should be deported, the problem is the DACA expansion was done by an executive order by President Obama. I signed that letter urging the repeal of the DACA executive order so that Congress will take action to make it a law, which is the way the issue should be handled." According to the American Immigration Council, there are nearly 9,000 DACA recipients living in South Carolina. Nearly 90% of those recipients are employed in the state's labor force. Director of South Carolina Appleseed Legal Justice Center, Sue Berkowitz, says DACA recipients have a big impact on the state and the country.
They're folks that are contributing to our state, are contributing to our society, and are tremendous individuals, talented individuals. And why would we want to make it impossible for them to stay here?
For Bonilla, the court's decision is looming over her every day.
I fear that, they take away what I have. And the little bit that I do have, it means a lot.
The Fifth Circuit's decision is expected later this year. In Columbia, Becky Buds, News 19 WLTX.
Well, State Representative Neil Collins has repeatedly introduced legislation to change the state's DACA restrictions. However, the bill has yet to pass in both chambers.